Alrighty friends, thank you for joining me today. This is Reza. You're on channel Reza Blade and you're watching my 6th out of 30 in 30 take 2 review. We're doing 30 reviews in 30 days and this is number 6. I have these hot off the presses. These are literally the day they showed up on AliExpress to buy, I bought them. I have been checking every single day for these because I've been very excited about the Animal World collection by Nicole Diary. Now, the ones that I wanted were number 2. So here's number 2. Got some bears, we've got some flamingos, we've got some koala faces, we've got some kind of babar looking things. They're animals, elephants, I meant, and they're kings. So we've got some bears with some mountains. We've got some seahorses, go neigh glub glub. We've got some panda bears, we've got some penguins, got some dinosaurs with some bones and some footprints. Got some flamingos, and we've got some penguin faces. So this is all very exciting. This is for ND numbers 002. And these come in these little folders. This is common for Nicole Diary, this kind of packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and recycle those now that you've seen them. That is my routine. Now we're going to look at number 3. Number 3 is a bit of a strange plate. Now we have an excellent elephant in the middle of the plate. Now that's not my quarrel. I just am not exactly sure what I'm going to do with a cat with a heart on its head and half of a whatever the heck that is, maybe an antelope or a deer, a baby one that has horns already. I'm not sure. So we've got a bear with some balloons. We've got some butterflies and flowers. Got some floral flourishes here. We've got some straight lines and a giraffe with sunglasses on. I don't know, maybe this is a panda bear. I don't know. It's very sad. Whatever it is, there looks like there's tears or just slanty eyes. We have a deer here with a very proud antler set. We've got an excellent looking owl here. And we've got another, maybe a little cat, perhaps, in a rainy little cloud swing. So anyway, this is just an interesting plate, is all I'm saying. And it's got a beehive hanging out of a tree, and another little owl, and another little bee, and a star with lines in it, and a flamingo with lines on it, whatever. So this is animal ND number 3. So that's that one. And I do have a mani to show you at the end of these plates, so just wait up just a second. Now these look like ones that are prepared for a bit of layering. Come on, guy. Okay, so these are whole images here. I have this image on my nails. We've got some of what we've seen in a CADS plate before with some floral accents as the second wing, and the first wing is a real wing. That's an interesting motif, and we've seen it before. So this is a little bit of layering here. And then here's some more layering with the bear paws and some outline paws. We've got a ladybug and the ladybug spots here. So anyway, we've got some duck feet and the outlines here. Now here we've got some diamonds, a grid. This looks like a watermelon mani ready to go. And this is the best part of this whole experience for me, is that I did these leaves in this unexpected Color Stay Gel Envy, and it stamped so well, guys. This is 60221. It says it's in the money. I don't know if you guys can still get this color, but it stamps like a dream, and I'll show you on my nails because I did stamp it on my nails. You've got a grid. I put a little something on the grid, I thought. Maybe not. Maybe not. Anyway, we put Starry Sky in there, and then we've got the beehive. So final plate is ND005, and this is an animal plate. Sorry about that mowing sound. It is the spring and my neighbors will be mowing, so I can't control that. But we've got swatches of all these little tiny things at the top here, which are etc. kind of unicorn things and fantasy things, and a little unicorn cupcake and fun things. We've got a unicorn grid with a planet and a moon and stars. We've got a little line figure with some rainbows and clouds and stars. And these are all various unicorn fantasy images. This is kind of like a unicorn sleeping, or just with its eyes closed in the starry sky. And I did stamp this one on my nails, so I'll show you that in just a second. Alrighty, so those are the actual plates. Now let me show you my left hand. I've got the fun elephant, a unicorn, and some floral accents. We've got the yellow jacket on the honeycomb, and then some koala faces. And I've got a butterfly on some triangles, or diamonds actually. And my second mani, this is my favorite finger. This is a little ladybug on some unexpectedly beautiful stamped leaves, and that is the unexpected stamping from In the Money, the color stayed Gel Envy, that stamped so well on top of black. I am very impressed. All right, we've got some seahorses, we've got some penguins, we've got a unicorn and some other accent images. And then we've got our star image of the elephant. So I'm going to show you these swatches and then I'm going to let you go. Like I said, this is number 6. But this particular plate is number 2. So I'm going to show you these close up. I hope your day has been excellent. Here's some cool panda faces. And I used my big green stamper from Bee Loves Plates. They have an Etsy shop if you're interested in that giant green stamper. They have been out of stock in that for quite some time, so maybe they have it back in stock now. We'll see. And that is the end of that sample. We've got ND004. We've got a bunch of little samples of backgrounds and these insects. This is a great little watermelon image, ready to go. And these leaves are phenomenal. That's again that color stay Gel Envy color In the Money. I am very impressed with that. We've got some layering images on this plate, and they have arrows between the first step and the second step, which is what I think is essential. Alrighty. Final plate is the unicorn plate, ND005. We have some tiny little images. We have those appearing above the other images. I'm slowly scrolling to those other images. And this is one of my favorite plates, so I do hope you enjoy it as well as I have. Alrighty. Well, thank you for looking at today's plates. These Nicole Diary plates have been fun. I do hope I finally get the UR sugar plates Monday in the mail. I have been expecting 2 or 3 more plates so that I can add to those and give you finally a review on them. I hope that you like today's manis. I'm going to try to take pictures of them for you so you can see them in my Instagram and see these images, which are a lot of fun. I hope that I got to you as soon as I could with these images. The Nicole Diary 003, and sorry, 002, 003, 004, and 005. Hope you enjoyed those, and you guys have an awesome day. I will see you tomorrow first thing, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show for the month. Thank you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. That means that you'll get, if you click the bell, you'll get notifications for when I release a review for the rest of the month. And I will answer any questions you have. If you ask some questions in the comments below or offer some comments, I respond right away. So thank you so much, and you guys have an awesome day. Every subscriber helps. Please help the small YouTuber. That's me. Thanks, bye.